The visual communications program here at Newhouse has 3 separate tracks. We have cinematography, photography, and graphic design. You really get to forge your own path as you go along, and the professors and faculty will be there to help you make the best of your time here.
In visual communications, we get to have the most fun and we get to create unique things every single day. It's really about creating your own unique vision and applying that to all the different means of communication, whether that be video or stills or something that's printed. But it's all about taking something that may be complex and showcasing that in a visual way.
I don't go a full week without doing some kind of photo shoot here at Newhouse, which is invaluable experience. There's so many opportunities for me to expand my skills and practice my skills. I'm really grateful for those opportunities.
The thing for me that was most attractive about the graphic design program was the emphasis on communication. A lot of people think that graphic design is just making things look pretty, but it really is a visual way of communicating.
I think what makes the visual communications department at Newhouse really unique is the way it actually combines photography, videography, and cinematography, design, so that basically all these things come together and are interdependent, particularly in the professional world where they're being used.
The great thing about Viz is that you don't have to know exactly what you want from the beginning. You can figure it out along the way. All of our students are required to take a graphic design class and a photography class to get you started. And that way you can start to learn some of the things that may have surprised you that you would never have expected, and maybe take additional electives in another area that you may not be specializing in.
I think what happens if you're interested in photography, what you get a sense of here is actually what it really is like to do it day to day, and it's even more fun than you think it is. At the end of a day, you've given birth to something that didn't exist in the morning. Most people don't get to do that. And I think what you need to develop as a student is your individual vision that nobody else has. And I think that that critical thinking part of it will shape all your pictures and will make you stand out from a million other people. So you want to use this experience to kind of hone your craft and hone your thinking.
There are really just a ton of opportunities to be a photographer and be involved using what you've learned in visual communications and helping people on campus. I've been able to help people and people have been able to help me, and that's something I'm super grateful for.
Whatever happens after leaving Newhouse, I know that I have the strong foundation that I've been taught here at Newhouse to be prepared for the real world.